How to turn off blind mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks items shown on the screen. On this page, turn off the VoiceOver feature at the top. Keep in mind that turning off this feature will stop your phone from reading out the contents on your screen. Doing this, you get more control over how you use your device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off blind mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.